Okay, welcome to Bill-O-Gami. Today we're going to make an angelfish out of 2 old uncreased dollar bills. Just very used, all wrinkled, excellent use for those bills. Now, in order to make it easier to understand and see how we make them, I'm going to be using some oversized bills. And these are obviously not real bills. They're about 40% larger than an existing dollar. And this way you'll be able to better follow along with the basic folds. Now the first thing we have to do is to turn each dollar bill into a shape like this. To do that, all we do is fold the bill in half, give it a good crease, and then fold each end up. Each end up, and then over and up. I think I'm getting it pretty close. And then open it up like this, and then fold each end over with a 90-degree angle on this end. And then over on this end, just turn it over, fold it, so that it looks like that. And now all we do is take each one and fold it over again. Each side, just fold it over again. And as a result, then put the two together, and this is what you get, which is exactly what that piece looks like. Now comes the little bit of a tricky part, which is to weave this one with the second one that you did. I've already got one already made for you. And what we do is we take both of them and we simply put it across our finger and then just wrap it around twice so that you will get a fold that looks like this. This is what you really want to use. And you do both of them that way. We do one that way, and then the other one, this one I just made, I'm going to wrap that around too, like this, and then just kind of crease it on the ends. Now, in order to do the weave, I always have this end pointed up like that. That's important. We take this one, the one we just made, and we go over the top through this second one and just stop it right there. Then we just turn it over and go over, through, and over, and then just pull it down like that. Then we turn it over and we go over and up. And then we turn it over, and all we do is go up and down. And there we have, that's all we have to do, because there we've created an angelfish. When it's done, it'll look like this with the dollar bill, but that's the exact same simple weave that we used. In a later video, what we'll do is show you how you can add coins inside the fish. You can add quarters, you could add nickels, you could add silver dollars, anything, lots of things will fit inside the fish. We also can show you how to make the fins look a little bit sharper like this, as opposed to this. It just takes one extra fold. Alrighty, well, be sure you hit the subscribe button, and we'll be creating more things for you as time goes by. Thank you. Bye.